we're beginning the Mishnah, really finishing off the Mishnah. The Mishnah had said in the first part, what is the case of Eidim Zomim? When we said, Ein Eidim Nasim Zomim Asher Yazimu Es Atzman, that witnesses only become Zomim, they only become the special kind of Zomim witness if they are personally discredited. So in the second part of the Mishnah, we have a case, Bo Acherim Be'ezimum, Bo Acherim Be'ezimum, that after the first pair claimed that they saw a murder in a particular place, and the second pair said that that first pair could not have seen the event because imanu hayisem. Now, bo acherim, another pair of witnesses, a third pair came along, b'hizimum, and the third pair, first of all, they testified that the first pair was right, that the murder took place, for example, in New York. But afterwards, the second set, we're going with Rashi's understanding of this Gemara, of this Mishnah, the second pair came along and they said hizimum. They said that the third pair, in fact, they were also located in the same place as the second pair was, and therefore they actually could not have witnessed the crime. So they made them into Eidim Zomim. Bo acherim be'ezimim, even if now a fourth pair of witnesses came and they agreed with what the first pair said, that the murder took place in the first place, but hizimum. But the second pair came along now a third time, and they said that this pair of witnesses, witness pair number 4, were also with the other pairs together on the day that they claimed to witness. Afilu mea kulam yargenu. Tanakama says, even if there are 100 witnesses, we would kill all those witnesses, pairs 1, 3, and 4. Why? Because the second pair made them all into zomim. Rabbi Yehuda says, istatus hizu, that this pair of witnesses, they are plotters. Rashi explains, istatus hizu, hakat hazos, kat shel edus, sar v'sityahi. This pair of witnesses, they are conspirators. They took advice amongst each other. They decided to make anyone who comes along to prove that this murder happened to say that they were not there at the time. So they were conspirators, and therefore, says the Mishnah, they are not going to be killed. All those other pairs, the third pair, the fourth pair of witnesses will not be killed. The only pair that will be killed is the first set of witnesses. So again, just to review, in this second half of the Mishnah, we have the case of Bo Acher Ve'ezimum, Bo Acher Ve'ezimum, the case of many pairs of witnesses coming along and proving like the first set, but each time they were made into Zomim. The Rabbanan in that case said that all the witnesses would be considered Zomim, except obviously for the second pair that were the ones disproving everyone. They would all be punished for that which they tried to do. We would kill them all, according to the Tanakhama. And Rabbi Yehuda argues, again, he argues on the Rabbanan, saying that in fact, that we are not going to kill them all. The only pair that we kill would be the first pair, but the rest of them we will not kill. That's the simple understanding of the Mishnah of Rabbi Yehuda. Again, we'll see an argument in terms of different ways to understand this, but we're going to work with that simple understanding for now. The Gemara is going to ask questions on this Mishnah, and we'll hold off questions until then. But wishing you all a great Shabbos.